guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to delete your TikTok account permanently. But before that you can go to our YouTube channel and subscribe to us. You can also activate that notification bell to be notified every time we post. We post daily. So that being said, let's get into the video. First we have to go to our TikTok. Go to me. And then click on those 3 points right here. After that, click on Manage Account. You have to make sure that your phone number is linked to your account, because you will receive a SMS for verification. Then after that, click on Delete Account. Here they are saying you that you will no longer be able to log in your TikTok account after 30 days, because after 30 days your account will be deleted permanently. So if you log in earlier, you will be able to activate your TikTok again, and if you delete it right now, people won't be able to see your TikTok account anymore. So let's click on Continue. You will receive that SMS verification to confirm that this is your account and it belongs to you. So I just received it. So after that, click on Delete Account. And here they are asking you if you are sure that you want to delete your account. So if you are sure, click Delete, and if you are not, click Cancel. But if you delete it, you will be able to recover it, so don't worry. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also comment down below your thoughts or your questions. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.